Steve Smith, CFA, is engaged in bond trading for a large investment firm. In addition to trading, Smith is also associated with an NGO looking after orphan children. Smith collects donation from his firm's personals, both in cash and in kind, to be donated to NGO. However, he keeps the cash for his own use and sells the goods received in kind. Okay, so what Smith is doing is, Smith works for an investment management firm, and also Smith is associated with an NGO. So he persuades his colleagues to donate something, their old clothes or cash to orphan children. Some of his colleagues give him cash, some of his colleagues give him goods in kind. What should Smith do? He is representing himself as member of NGO, so he should donate everything to NGO. However, he is keeping the cash for his own use and he sells the goods which he has received so that he can receive money out of it. Okay, which of the following is most accurate? Smith is in violation. Friends, I think it is very much clear. Misconduct states what? Act involving dishonesty, fraud or deceit. He is deceiving his colleagues, so it is actually misconduct. Smith is in violation of standard 1D, given he has deceived the personals by taking donation with the impression that it will be passed on to NGO, but actually keeps it himself. So yes, this is a violation. I think A is correct. However, let's see the other options. Smith is not in violation. It is ruled out. It is actually a violation. Smith is in violation, however, only with respect to the gifts received in cash, and not, this is also wrong, because it's not only cash, anything, any act of dishonesty, because the standard used the word any. So any covers everything. Any act of dishonesty, fraud or deceit is a violation. A is the correct answer. It's a straightforward one. You can see the rationale.